Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be baking chewy and crispy chocolate crunchy brownies. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for it. 150 grams dark chocolate, 100 grams butter, 100 grams pecans, 150 grams sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 100 grams flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt. Weigh the butter and the dark chocolate into a separate bowls and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. In a large bowl, I'll add sugar, egg and vanilla extract, and then in a separate bowl I keep the sieve on. Add the flour, baking powder and pinch of salt, and here I'm chopping my pecan nuts into small pieces and keep it separately. You can see I melt the butter at the same time the chocolate and make sure there is no lumps in the chocolate. Now I am mixing chocolate and butter together. Until it's creamy shiny texture. Now I am beating my sugar, egg and vanilla extract. I'm using a balloon mixer and using hand mixture. Beat the mixture until you get the foaming stage. And you can see the color was changed a little bit. At this stage, I am going to add my chocolate mixture. Take the spatula and mix 2 ingredients together and make sure while you are mixing, scrape off the bowl. At this stage, I am going to add the flour in. And I'm using a folding method. Once you add the flour, don't beat it. Make sure to fold it until you get the lump-free batter. At this stage, I am going to add my pecans. I am going to reserve 1 or 2 tablespoons of pecan pieces and adding the rest of the pecan into the bowl and thoroughly mix it. In here, I taking 6 by 6 inch tray. I greased with the spray, pouring my batter into it, and I'm going to use that 2 tablespoons pecan on top. At 180 degrees oven, I'm going to bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes. You can see how much it raised. It formed shiny texture on the top. Once it bakes, I bring it to the cooling rack and leave it for 30 minutes to cool down. Then only I am going to cut into pieces. You can see it's chewy inside and crispy nuts with the crispy layer on the top. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Shifnaz.